Good evening, my fellow YouTube viewers. I wanted to make another video, and this video that I wanted to make is on the accounts payable process. Accounts payable is money that the company is obliged to pay to its creditors. So, the first thing that you have to do in the accounts payable process is the purchase requisition, which means that the department or project needs to request something be purchased. And so after the purchase requisition is sent out, then basically what they have to do is they have to request an estimate. And then when they receive the estimate, if they like the price that's being quoted, then what they can do is they can issue a purchase order. Now, after the company issues the purchase order, then many times the vendor will send across a sales order to the company to confirm what the company is requesting in the purchase order. The vendor will then send the goods or services to the company, and they will attach a delivery note with those goods or services. After the goods or services have been sent and the delivery note has been received by the company, then basically what the company does is it will receive a sales invoice from the vendor, and it must enter this sales invoice into its accounting system. Then what the company has to do, it has to match the purchase order and the delivery note with the invoice. After the purchase order, delivery note, and invoice have been matched and they are all in agreement with each other, then what would happen is the company would release payment to the vendor. And then after the company has released payment to the vendor, then it would actually make payment. And after it has made payment, the final step in the accounts payable process would be reconciling the banking. So that is your 10 steps that you have in your account payable process, which I have put on this Excel spreadsheet for you. And that's basically what any person who is intending to get into accounts payable would need to know about the process for accounts payables. So I hope you have a good evening.